Sports grounds are places for making your spirits stronger. The blue-eyed girl and her skateboard are in the "it's complicated" phase of their relationship. She can't do any tricks. Even standing on it is a great challenge. This skateboard is clearly not a reliable guy. She's done. The blue-eyed girl takes a break from sports. She needs to calm down. And Blondie has a present just for her. It's a special anti-stress toy. Hot glue Lego bricks to a silicone case. Attach more bricks on top. Cover the entire case. Make a mini skate park. And add tiny Lego figurines. The blue-eyed girl takes out a phone case with a toy skate park. The blue-eyed girl imagines her future sports victories while playing with Legos. Blondie is sad. It will be raining all day long according to the weather forecast. But my friend isn't sad about it. Small clouds are fun too, like the ones on her phone case. Use a sponge to coat a phone case with baby blue acrylic paint. Dry it with a hairdryer. Shape air dry clay with foam plastic balls into clouds. Attach them to the case. Add a rainbow decoration. Cut a cloud out of gold cardboard. Hot glue it between the two clay clouds. Hot glue a tiny rainbow slinky into the center of the case. Attach the 3D cloud on top. Draw eyes and a mouth on it with a black marker. Add some blush with a red marker. This anti-stress case is telling my friend, don't be sad, because there is always a rainbow after the rain. And meanwhile, we can come up with hundreds of games under the rain. Just don't forget to bring an umbrella. Blondie knows a tried and tested way to overcome stress. Cream therapy and more sprinkles. But Linda prefers a way with not that many calories, a donut phone bumper. Hot glue foam rubber hair rollers along the perimeter of a phone case. Add a dripping glaze pattern on top using hot glue. Even out the shape slightly with the hot nozzle. Coat it with acrylic paint. Paint rainbow sprinkles on the glaze. Cover it with clear nail polish so that it is glossy. This donut will calm you down and will still keep you fit. In addition to this, it is satisfying to squeeze it in your hands, and the cream won't get your fingers and hair dirty. Linda is feeling gloomy, but she becomes happy the same moment she finds a phone case with an anti-stress coloring book. Cut a yellow foam rubber sheet so that it is of the same size as a phone case. Insert it inside the phone case and cut out holes for the camera and connectors. Mark a rectangle that is of the same size as the case on white sheets of paper. Cut the first sheet with scrapbooking scissors. Cut the rest of the sheets with regular scissors. Draw coloring pictures on them. You can use templates or draw them yourself. Define the contours with a black pen. Attach the pictures together using thin double-sided tape. Attach the handmade coloring book to the phone case. Paint cat paws with white acrylic paint on the top of the phone case. Define them with black paint. Coloring a picture with felt tip pens is a great way to de-stress. And if your friend joins you, then your good mood doubles. And you can take this stress-relieving coloring book along with your phone wherever you go. Did you like our anti-stress phone cases? Then write in the comments which case you will make to relieve your stress and what helps you chase negative thoughts away. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new anti-stress ideas on Troom Troom.